Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a workshop update. The car behind me is the famous Duluck. So Rob is doing suspension on it. We're going to put a lift kit on this car so Bushy can get it in and out of his garage, because apparently his garage is really difficult to get in and out of and he needs a bit more height on the front. So this is having a lift kit. Amy's Mark IV behind us. That's had all of its new bits, new turbo, new intake, new subframe stuff. Just doing the last thing, which is the alignment and geo. So that is almost done. Gonna make the exhaust a little bit higher because it rubs. So I'm gonna get the exhaust as high as I can on this one. So I'm gonna show you, we've got a bench unlock on a Mark V Supra. Lee's just finished that. Awesome white Mark V. As you can see, the engine shop is being built at the moment and we're inundated with engines, but I've got to build the engine room. It is looking definitely better, and yeah, this is going to be the new engine building shop in here. So nice clean room for building all of our awesome 2Js. Lee is just doing second-hand parts for everybody, so we try and not keep as many parts here, but it's a nightmare and everybody doesn't want to take their parts with them, even though it's boxed up, ready to go. But this is all going to be advertised for sale. Here I am getting amongst it underneath this one. Nice Mark III 1J Supra, coming for mapping and link stuff. Sam getting amongst it, doing an oil filter as well. And Bailey putting some oil in a car, making sure it's all topped up ready. That's Jamie's car having its oil checked as well. Yep, that definitely looks full to me. Nice chaser that's come in for mapping and link. Another Mark IV that turned up as well. Got crack on with that one. And the Mark III up and running. Needs a good clean. And this one is absolutely pristine. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.